Hello, my name is Kaisa and I come from Positive. I will give you a short example how to use Positive method in your classroom. If you want to see more self-regulation in your students, you have to first of all teach it. What does self-regulation actually mean? You can do it by using our digital product or our cards. Second, I think that the most important part is that you give positive feedback. When you see your students acting on self-regulation, using the strength, so label the behavior and use strengths vocabulary. And third, use strengths language also in yourself. So when you use self-regulation in your classroom, so explain to your students how you do it and how does it feel. So teach, give feedback and be an example yourself. Good luck!